Hey everybody, Nate Chamberlain here, inviting you to my upcoming workshop at 365 EduCon. Build the intranet of the future using SharePoint Online. Building an intranet can sound daunting, but did you know SharePoint Online is the galaxy's best platform for building an intranet? You're going to see why in my half-day workshop. We're going to learn all about sites and how to connect those to one another to create a modern digital workplace. Within those sites, you're going to learn how we can leverage tools like lists and libraries and news to help us facilitate enterprise-wide communication and collaboration efforts. We're also going to touch on topics you've probably heard of, like how Microsoft Teams and Viva Connections play into an intranet strategy. Also, the Power Platform. How do we automate processes using Power Automate and maybe bring in data visualization and reporting with Power BI within our SharePoint intranet? So we need a plan, right? Let's get together, let's create that intranet plan, and ultimately, let's create that intranet. I'm looking forward to meeting you and learning with you at 365 EduCon.